Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anna. For those of you who are new, hey girl, what's up? Welcome to the party. Today's video is going to be the first of videos to come in my segment called Anna's Gems. In this segment, I'm going to be showing you how I film and edit my YouTube videos with my phone. I only know how to do this with an iPhone, so if you're using something else, an Android or something, you can still watch this content. I'll just link some videos down below of how to put the videos from your Android phone onto a computer so that you can edit them. But yeah. Okay, so I know I gave you a little brief idea of what Anna's Gems is going to be about, but here's a more in-depth look at what it's going to be about. So I'm going to be talking about everything that you need to know about YouTube, SEO, what apps to use, what services to pay for, what services to not pay for, what you actually need to spend your money on, and just all around the basics of being a small YouTuber on a budget. I know there's a lot of us here. The reason I haven't gotten monetized yet is subscribers, but I hear a lot more people say that they have subscribers and not watch time. I think a big reason why I don't have subscribers is because I forget to tell people to subscribe. Speaking of that, if you made it this far, you might as well subscribe because you talk to the you rock with me, so you might as well go ahead and subscribe. And make sure you like this video and leave a comment down below. I don't think I ever say that in my videos, and I think that's the reason why people don't like and comment and subscribe, because I don't remind them. But I am like in 6 months, I've gotten 50% of the way to, almost 50% of the way to my watch time, which is like amazing. It's crazy. I have not seen anybody in my groups that I'm a part of have that much watch time, and I think it's because of the information that I'm about to tell you. So we're going to start with the basics today, and that is the filming setup. So I'm just going to go ahead and flip the camera around and show you guys my filming setup real quick. As you can see, it's nothing fancy. I'm in my bedroom. All you need is a corner, a stand. You can do a ring light if you like, and a chair. If you want to get real fancy, get a little plant off Amazon and throw it in the background for aesthetic. But you just need something to hold your phone and someplace to sit, or you can stand, and that's really all you need. I am filming with a ring light today, so I'm just going to show you guys. If I take it down a little bit, this is me with natural lighting. It doesn't look that appealing. I have my window closed. I have the room light on. You can play with your lighting at home, but look, just by me turning on the light. See, this is it all the way up. It makes me super hot, and I have to like shield my eyes so I don't turn up that high. I just turn it enough to just kind of give me that professional pop look. So a good investment is a ring light. You can find them on Amazon for as cheap as $40. It's up as high as $120. I think this one I spent was like $60. I will link it in the description box below if you guys are interested in purchasing it. But yeah, enough of the rambling. Let me just show you my stuff. So as you can see, I have my phone and my ring light, and it's just pointing towards me while I'm talking. This is, you can spin it around, you can push it down, you can pull it up, you adjust it however you want. And then there's also these circular knobs on the ring light. I'm not going to really mess with them today, but what they do is they tilt this either forward or backward, and then you can hold it however you choose to. Twist this, and then you can pull this either up or push it back down, and then it just sits on a tripod. So that is my ring light. And then this is the brightness. That is it on the lowest. That's how my background looks with it on the lowest brightness. And then as I turn it up, this is how it starts to look. You see that playing in the background, how it looks with no light versus having light? That's why a ring light, in my opinion, is the #1 thing to get. So I turn the ring light around so that you can see they come with these detachable pieces. So you can put them all orange, all white, however you choose. But as you can see, I did them alternating white and orange. I did this because it gives a more natural look as opposed to just having all white and all orange. I actually got this tip from Jazz Anier. I'm sorry if I'm saying her name wrong, but Jazz Anier or something like that. I actually got that tip from her on YouTube, and it's very helpful. So this again, is it all the way bright? Y'all see how bright that is? That just like hurts your eyes, and it makes you hot. So if y'all hear something in the background, it's my fan, because I'm not about to be up in here sweating. And then there's just a table from my kitchen table. I see some people buy chairs, but I'm not going to, because I think it's wasting money. So I just got a chair from my kitchen table. Bring to you guys' attention is the selfie stick. Actually, I just use this piece right here interchangeably with it. So because I lost the part that actually goes on top of it. So what this would look like is this. And you just put your phone in there, and then it can hold you up that way. So that's basically just my setup. I usually always film in here just because I like the aesthetic here better than any other part of my house, and that's the biggest thing when it comes to filming YouTube videos is aesthetic. People want to look at something that looks pleasing. They don't want to just sit there and watch you if your background is boring. I know myself, like if there's nothing for me to look at in the background, or your background doesn't look put together, I just click off the video and I just go to somebody else who took the time to actually put something in their background. Like I said, I just got this little cheap plant off of Amazon, and that's that. After I record all my videos, I airdrop them to my MacBook, and then I use Adobe Premiere to edit them. So like I said before, make sure you're subscribing and have your post notifications on, so that when I upload the video of how to edit videos in Adobe and how to do that you're aware. But yeah, that's pretty much all I do. Honestly, if I do a get ready with me, the time it takes me to film and edit will probably be like 3 hours at the max. That's me doing my makeup, me